If you want to start a cybersecurity career, but do not know which tools to learn first, how security teams actually work, or how to prepare for an entry-level analyst role without prior experience, then this video is for you. One structured beginner pathway designed for this situation is the Google Cybersecurity Conquestion Professional Certificate available on Coursera. This program is created by Google and designed to prepare learners for entry-level cybersecurity analyst roles through structured quiz, lessons, and guided hands-on practice. Inside this certificate, learners build foundations in identifying threats, risks, and vulnerabilities, understanding security frameworks, protecting networks and devices, and supporting incident response workflows used inside real security teams. The course also introduces practical tools including Linux, Python, SQL, SIEM platforms, and intrusion detection systems, which are commonly used by security analysts during monitoring and investigation tasks. Learners also understand how organizations apply security policy, detect suspicious behavior, and respond to alerts inside security operations environments. Here is a quick summary of the capabilities developed during this program. You learn threat detection basics, incident response workflows, vulnerability awareness, network monitoring concepts, and hands-on exposure to Linux command line environments together with Python and SQL for security analysis support tasks. This program focuses specifically on defensive cybersecurity analyst preparation rather than broader software development or advanced penetration testing learning pathways. Because cybersecurity requires structured progression, guided learning programs like this are usually more effective in collecting knowledge from scattered tutorials. This course is especially suitable for beginners entering cybersecurity, IT support professionals transitioning into security roles, students exploring infrastructure protection careers, and career switchers moving toward analyst-level security positions. You may want to avoid this program if you already work in advanced security engineering or penetration testing roles. Most learners complete this certificate by studying under 10 hours per week, depending on their pace. This program supports preparation for roles such as cybersecurity, analyst security operations center, analyst IT security analyst, information security analyst. These are realistic entry-level pathways supported by the curriculum structure. From a salary perspective, cybersecurity analyst roles typically offer strong early career technical compensation depending on location, organization, and prior IT experience. No previous cybersecurity background is required to begin this certificate. Overall, this program is most useful for learners who want a structured and practical starting pathway into cybersecurity analyst type roles using tools like Linux, Python, SQL, and SIEM monitoring environments. You can find the official link in the description if you want to explore the full syllabus, learning schedule, and certification details before enrolling. Take care and subscribe to keep learning. See ya in another video.